know how we starting the day, man. Starting the day off good, man. Got my guy, Mr.Organik right here, man. Type shit, legendary type Luke type shit. Come on now, big dog. Oh my God, man. That shit even wetter than person, bro. Sheesh. I'll tell you, man. Hey, man, have no fear. Mr.Organik is here.
How you living, man? Get me on there, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Catch me in my prime, getting an organic rock star.
Yes, sir. Make sure y'all check that out, man.
You know what I'm saying? All of that. Woo. Okay.
Okay.
Hey.
Yeah, I seen it. Big legendary. Yo, YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy, Hemi Mar, back at it again with another video. But as you guys can see, man, we're enjoying the views of the Caynon, man. Had to stop on my way down just to get a clip because this shit look real amazing. Now, I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like down here. Man, the view is fucking nice as fuck, bro. Like, if y'all haven't been to the Canyons, man, I highly suggest that y'all do it because it's something that you really don't do, and it's really fucking nice up here. You get to see the nice views. Now, I'm halfway down right now, and look how nice it looks. We was way all the way up there and shit, so, and halfway down now. Don't know what happened to my boy Russ. Guess he got split from the group, so finna go down, try to call him when he get some service. But oh man, look at downtown Los Angeles. It's far as fuck. Shit. But man, big legendary type move. Sheesh. It's no internal damage, bro. Like, it's no damage outside. But hold on, let's get in the car. Let's get in the car, man. Shit, hold on, let's get a look. Whoa! Bro, oh no, man. What you did, Bucko? Damn. Yeah. Oh wow.
Did you wrestle? I probably got lost. She should have got out.
No, he better come back.
You scared me? I just recorded. Go down the cliff.
What do you say?
I don't know. I said you can see you guys doing it.
Yes, sir.
That good. See, I didn't know he was that good and shit. I ain't gonna follow that.
My shit wasn't sticking either.
Yeah, I know. I can tell that shit was gripping.
Right now, I can tow this car, I can tow 3 other cars that I watched, okay? I can do that. Legally, I can tow your cars. I just want you to know, it's not safe. You've been warned. We have another unit coming up. If you're not gone by the time I get here, your cars could be towed, okay? Okay. It's not safe. Do not do it. What you're doing is you're causing a lot of smoke. It causes smoke screens. People are coming up. Motorcycles crash. You also excite people. Everybody gets racing mode. Don't do it.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.